The flag of Papua New Guinea is one of the most distinctive national flags in the world, rich with cultural meaning and natural symbolism. It is divided diagonally from the top left to the bottom right. The upper triangle is red, carrying the striking image of a yellow Raggiana bird of paradise in flight. This bird, the national symbol of Papua New Guinea, represents freedom, unity, and the country's emergence as an independent nation. The lower triangle is black and features 5 white stars, arranged in the exact pattern of the Southern Cross constellation, a group of stars, visible in the southern sky that symbolizes the country's geographical location in the Southern Hemisphere and its ties with other Pacific nations, especially Australia. The colors themselves also carry deep meaning. Red and black are traditional colors, used in many tribal designs. Clothing and war paint across Papua New Guinea, linking the flag to the nation's cultural roots. Yellow represents both the bird of paradise and the country's rich natural resources. The flag was designed in 1971 by Susan Kariki, a then 15-year-old schoolgirl, and was officially adopted in 1971 ahead of independence in 1975. Together, the design captures the blend of modern nationhood, cultural tradition, and natural heritage that defines Papua New Guinea. Thanks for watching and subscribe. For more updates, don't forget to comment by Tokpas and Guide channel.